everybody. I'm Diana Scott from Bluecast IT here with your weekly tech tip. So, the wait between Microsoft announcing a new feature and its rollout can be agonizing, especially when it could help your business operations. So, you might be excited to hear Microsoft's announced an optional Windows 11 update. So, it promises to let you use new features before their general release. But is it too good to be true? Being an early adopter of new software or technology can expose you to bugs or other problems that could affect productivity. So our advice is patience is a virtue. Take it easy, let someone else test the new features, and wait until stable versions have rolled out to everyone. It's a slightly slower route to go, but it's a much more robust one. And if we can help you be more productive with your existing systems, please get in touch with us at bluecastlit.com. That's your tech update. More next week.